Hello guys, welcome back again. This is your boy from Nuer Online. Today we are going to focus on how to remove the background picture of your picture online. So let's imagine that you have a photo that you want to remove, but you do not have the application or Photoshop, but your background picture is similar as mine, like we have a green here and we also have white. So there's a way to do that, and we are going to remove the background and we make it transparent using online tools. There's a website, and that website, it is the one that we are going to use. We have a website somewhere here. Let's go direct into this. Wait for me. Okay. This is what let's say we are here. Okay. Here, this is the place. This is a browser. So in this browser, what we are going to do, we have to go direct into the website that can allow us to make our picture background to be transparent. So we can simply go to something called removal.io, and then you can simply click this. So removal.ai, it is AI actually, sorry, it is removal.ai. This is where you can simply click upload. You can click upload here. Okay, let me show it to you right here. All right, so please pay attention here. Okay, so within here in this website called removal.ai, all you gotta do is simply clicking upload image. Let's say you have a photo inside your computer and you want to edit the background, but this software will do it for you for free. You don't have to log in, you don't have to do anything. But if you want to save it as a high quality picture, of course you have to register, you have to log in. But for me, I don't, because I want to simply remove a simple a picture, or the picture that I want to use, and that picture is the picture that I will also take somewhere and reuse it also. So what we are going to do right here, we have to click upload image. Okay, under upload image, we are going to look for a picture that we are going to change the background. So let's look for the picture. There are I think I have picture right here. Let me look for one. Okay. Wait for me. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me go. Okay, let's simply use this picture of mine. This one, you can see the background right there. It has this different type of color there. It is now on the process. It is processing the picture, trying to remove trying to remove the background. Now you can see that we have that picture right here. You can see that the picture, this is the picture. All we have to do right now is to download it, to download the picture, this picture right here, because this is the picture that we are going to use right now. So what we're going to do, we are going to download it. And to download it, remember, there is a high quality and the low one. So what I'm using right now, it is the low quality. Let's say it said 1200. You can see the site here, full image, 1280 by 720, which it is low quality. But in order for you to save it as a high quality, you need to register. No, this is high quality stuff. If you want to register this, let's say let me click it. Okay, the small site is 800 by 450. Sorry for that. So here, if you want to download as a high quality, these are the price. You can see the price right here. Let's say it unlimited free previews on removal.ai. This seems very simple. 50 free preview VIP and application, where you can use it for free, but the quality of picture will be low. And this is $0.13 per image, which means that you have to subscribe with this with 1 month, and then you will be paying 0.13. So these are the price that you can use to upload or to remove the background of your picture. But this is too much. We cannot afford that for now. All we gotta do, we simply have to use the free stuff, because let's say you do not have money, or if you have a online credit card that you can buy all this, that's good for you. But for those who do not have any online payment, all you got to do simply go to upload image and then look for the picture that you want to remove the background. I'll repeat it again. Let me go to the picture. Okay, it is right here. Okay, this one. You can see the picture right there. Let me simply open the picture and we can see it alone. Okay, let me get back again. Okay, this one. Yep. Now we can, okay, let me refresh it. Maybe it is we already something that we already did. So let's wait for it. Okay, okay. Here let's simply go to choose a photo and then go to the picture, this one, and let remove. So now it is on the process right there. We are going to see the result right now. Okay, because there are two ways on this. Now it is on the process. You can see that it is processing the video. There we have. So what we're gonna do now is simply to download it. Like I said, we need it to be on low quality, because if you want to download that's quite high quality, we are going to pay for it. So what we're gonna do, we have to download this. Okay, there we have to wait for it. Now it is already done. This is the picture. I can simply show it right here. And the next move, okay, it is already there. The next move is simply go, we are going to go to Canva when you want to make it as a thumbnail, or you can use it as a picture that you can use on your social media and stuff. So what we are going to do here, let's wait for this. It is coming, canva.com. Canva, it is a website that allows you to design photos, videos, or editing anything. So what we're going to do here, we have to go to create design, and what we are going to design right now, we are going to use a mobile format. We can use something called story. Okay, story art. This one, this is story art, 1080 by 1920. Let's click this. All right, so this is what we have. Now this is a mobile format. You can see the site 1080 by 1920. What we are going to do right here, we are going to paste. I'm going to copy. We'll copy it right here like this. You can see it right here. I will right click on it and then copy this picture. I will copy it and I will paste it there. I will not upload it, but I will simply paste it there. Let's wait a little bit. Because you know, Canva is a very special website where you can do a lot of good stuff with it. Like you can edit videos, you can also edit photo with that, which is very important. So please try to use this. It is very important. We'll wait for it, guys. Okay, right click and we have to wait. Just wait a little bit. Okay, we have to wait for it. Okay, let me do this again. Okay, we can right click. Oh, okay, we can copy that like this. So after copying, you can simply paste it there. Yep, there. Now we already paste it. You can see the picture right here. This is the picture. So what we're going to do on this picture, we are trying to do something like mobile application or something like mobile photos. So let's go direct into templates. Okay, let's go to template. Like, okay, let me simply put this template right there. Oh, this is something that we can pay for that. Okay, we don't have to put anything there. So just wait for me. Okay, hold on. I'm looking for templates. Okay, let's me do this. Let me put this screen the other side. Let's go there. I think you can hear the noise of that game. My son is playing with someone. Okay, here let's look at this. All right. Hold on. Okay, this is, you have to pay for this. Okay, let's simply put this. Okay, this. Okay. Now you can see that I will go direct into the picture that I will upload, this one, and I will paste it there. You can see, okay, let me, okay, there, because, okay, now we have that, let's say fashion sale. Let me simply call it, all right, or I can even leave it there, just something like that. Okay, so after designing a photo like this, okay, you can simply share it. And to share it is simply to export it, the picture. I mean the one that we designed. You can do a lot of stuff with that. So let me simply download it, and there we can change this MP4 and we put it to JPEG or JPG, and then we can download this right here. Let's simply download it. Okay, we are going to wait for that. I think you can see this. There is this barcode in case you want to pay for the premium one. You can scan it and then buy the app. So because most of the base feature they are there, but you need to pay for them. So we are using the pre version. So this is what we have. Let me click it. Let's wait for that. Wait for it. Okay, here it is coming. Okay, let's me. Yep, here. So this is the photo. As you can see, this is simply a fashion sale up to 50%. It is like you can design anything, and after when you are done, you can even post it on your YouTube or your Facebook. Okay, let me bring my Facebook here because I want to put it there for those who are new to my channel. I do not have a privacy for social media. All I want to do is helping people. Okay, let me go here. Let me put. Okay, okay, I will not do anything. I can simply post it here. So let's wait. Okay, we go directly into photo and then we can upload that. Okay, so here we can simply click that. Okay, we can even give it how to simply design mobile photo using Canva. So I will put the link and description there. So okay, there. So let me simply pause it, just simply for practice. Okay, so you can pause it and let's wait for that. It is still under processing, trying to upload the picture. There we go. So now you can look for it. It is right there. So simple as like that, you can do a lot of stuff with this Canva. But remember, what we are here for is simply to design or to remove a photo online, like removing the background of your photo using online tools. And that tool, it will automatically remove the background. And all you got to do is simply export it and then use it somewhere like the way I show you on Canva. And thank you for watching. And if you are new to the channel, please thumb up, subscribe to the channel. And if you find that this video is useful, please share it with friends. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.